The first thing to remember when freezing casseroles is that they aren't all created equal. You're going to want to avoid freezing casseroles that are dairy heavy, things with sour cream, cottage cheese, creme fraiche, because they aren't going to hold up well in the freezer. Another thing you're going to want to avoid is letting a crunchy topping get soggy in the freezer. So either leave them off until the day that you bake them, or freeze them separately in a zip bag and add them later. Making a casserole for 1 or 2 people and you don't want to freeze this whole pan, consider breaking them into smaller portions for 1 or 2 people. That way you can pull out just what you need at one time and they'll thaw easily. Another important reminder when freezing casseroles is to label everything. You're going to want the name of the recipe, the directions for baking, and a use by date. Most casseroles are going to last in your freezer about 3 months. Avoid tying up your favorite casserole dish for months at a time by storing it in the freezer. Instead, try using your casserole dish as a mold. Line it with parchment paper, fill it with your casserole, and then freeze it until it's solid. Then you can pop it out, wrap it, and freeze it until you're ready to bake it. When the day comes for you to finally bake your casserole, you have 2 options. First, you can thaw your casserole overnight in the fridge and then bake as directed. If you don't have time to thaw it overnight, you can pull it from the freezer and bake it. But it is going to take close to double the amount of time, so you're going to want to watch it carefully.